This is my easy liquid glass preset, version 1.0. First of all, let's talk about how you can install this preset. It's very easy. Once you download this drfx file, you just need to open this file and it will automatically open the Davinci Resolve. And this window will appear. Just click on the install button. Now open any project. Open the edit page, search for liquid glass in the effects library. Just drag and drop it on the clip to add this effect. You can go to Inspector and then Effects, to access its controls or to delete this effect. Similarly, if you are in the Fusion page, you can search it here in the effects, and it will be in these templates. Just add this and change its settings in the inspector, and to remove it just hit backspace. Now let's talk about how to use this effect and what you can customize. You can change its width and its height. You can change its corner radius to make the edges circular. This will help to make a circular and square or rectangle shape. You can change its X and Y position. You can change the light power and angle of the light. Moreover, you can make a blurry glass effect also, and for that, you have these options to change the blur type and the strength of the blur, which can be changed as per the requirement of the background clip. Always remember that this blurry glass looks better with the colorful background, not with plain white background. You can see some examples, what you can create with this preset. Now let's learn how to animate this effect. Just bring the playhead to the first frame and add a keyframe on position, then move the effect where you want to start the animation. Then go to the last frame, and move its position where you want to end. You can see the animation. Now if you want to smooth the animation curve, you cannot use this keyframe option. Instead of this, you can use the spline, just by clicking on this little button. This button will open it in the Fusion, and you can see the liquid glass effect node. Don't get confused, if you open this clip just by clicking on Fusion page button, you will not see that liquid glass node here. So, once you open it in Fusion page correctly, you can select this node and open the spline panel to smooth the animation from here. If you want to learn how this effect was made, you can watch this video and you can get this free preset. Just watch that video for more information. If you are still watching, I have a bonus tip for you. You can add an adjustment clip on top of your main video clips and add this liquid glass effect on this adjustment clip. Now you can place this adjustment clip on top of any video, with the effect you made. So this was my easy liquid glass effect preset. Check description for more updates regarding this preset. And don't forget to watch my liquid glass effect tutorial. Thanks for watching.